Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. My name is Fede. In this case we will be treating a front tooth of a 50-year-old man whose filling has fallen out. Sit back and enjoy the video. First of all, I want to thank you all for subscribing to the channel. We have reached 100 subscribers in only 1 month and I'm really thankful for that. And also don't forget to check out my previous videos by clicking on my channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and follow for more content. So as mentioned, this case involves a dislodged composite filling. On the distal side or the back of the tooth, there's also a composite filling. However, in this case, I didn't find it necessary to replace that filling entirely. And that is why we are focusing only on the mesial portion of the tooth. So as you can see here, we are cleaning the tooth with several different burrs. The reason a filling can fall out often has to do with decay developing underneath the old filling. We want to remove that decay, which is why we used the drill. And once the defect is fully cleaned, I place a transparent plastic matrix strip and a wooden wedge to help restore the proper shape of the tooth. After applying the strip, we pre-treat the tooth with a blue etching gel containing phosphoric acid. This roughens up the enamel, improving adhesion for the new filling material. After rinsing off the edge, it's important to dry the surface thoroughly and pre-treat it with a primer and a bonding agent. This bonding agent acts like a glue that helps stick the new filling material to the tooth and is actually a really important step in the restoration of the tooth. The shade of the filling material is determined before the procedure using a shade guide. There are actually many different shades of white in dentistry, and in this particular case we used a shade A4, which is a slightly darker color that matches this patient's teeth nicely. The first layer of the filling is applied using a flowable composite, followed immediately by a firmer anterior composite. This material is different from what we use for molars, as an anterior composite has better aesthetic properties, allowing us to achieve a beautiful final result. And the filling is applied in several layers, and for this I use different instruments. Once the shape is well modeled, a curing light is applied between the layers, and this curing light polymerizes the composite, making it hard. After all the layers are in place, we remove the plastic matrix strip and the wooden wedge, and it's time for us to finish the filling. Finishing is a crucial step to refine the shape, ensuring that the composite blends seamlessly with the tooth. And this prevents discoloration or staining around the edges over time. And for this I use different burrs, but I use Soflex discs for this mainly. And this is varying in grits. The lighter the grit, the better the polishing effect. And this brings the filling to a high gloss finish. Finally, I use a polishing strip to smooth the contact points, completing the restoration process. You can see that once the filling is polished to a high gloss, the color blends seamlessly with the rest of the tooth. And this ensures that no one in the patient's environment will notice there's a filling. So once the finishing touches are complete, we remove the blue rubber dam and check the bite to ensure the filling isn't too high. And that also makes that we've reached the end of this video. It's a shorter video than the previous ones, but I hope you don't mind. I want to thank you all again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And also leave a comment to let me know what you think of it. And give any feedback where you think I can improve on videos like this. So thank you again and I see you next time. Bye.